So in this video, we're going to be looking at a product that I unboxed a couple of weeks ago. This one here is the EnerPlex. This is the EnerPlex. This is the 2100 milliamp battery. This is a solar charger. I've been using this for about, I would say, 2 weeks, maybe a bit longer. There's some really good things about this, and I'll just mention those here on the side. It says it's solar, it charges with natural sunlight, it allows you to sync via USB as well as charge via USB. And the good thing about this one that I like is when you plug it in into the bottom here, which is a micro USB, when you plug in the micro USB, it doesn't first charge this case. It charges the phone, and then any extra battery or any extra power that's still going to it will then charge the battery for the solar charger. So if you are low on power or low on sun, you can charge this through a wired method. Now, as I said, I have been using this for about 2 weeks. The weather over here in Toronto, Canada, has been off and on sunny days, and then rainy days, and then basically black skies for some days because of some bad storms coming from the States. So I have been using this both wired and solar, and I will say that on my solar days, this thing works very well. Only yesterday I was able to, I didn't charge it the night before, and I left it running, just regular phone usage. And by the evening, approximately 5-6 p.m., the battery life on this was, I would consider it low. It's less than half. It's 41%. Now, keep in mind that I am a business person, and a lot of my customers send me emails. So I have this phone set up on Gmail to download messages every 5 minutes. I have it set so that it sends me alerts for if any of my servers go down or if there's anything like that. I do have this phone set up in that way, as well as regular cell usage. Now I use this phone quite often during the day, so it does get pretty good usage. I would say I'm maybe a above average user when it comes to this phone. I do surfing from it, but not as much as some users might. So it's a kind of give and take on this device when I use it. That some places I use it more than a regular user, some places I don't. Either case, what it boils down to is yesterday I had this phone. It was at 41% at approximately 5-6 o'clock in the evening. I press this button on the back here. There's a button on the back here that, if you hold it down, it indicates how much battery life is in here. The first indicator here is if the solar panel is being charged. So that one there turns red when it is being charged. The next 4 are indicators of battery life: 25, 50, 75, 100% battery life. So it was at 100% battery life, and sorry, I think it was 100%. It might have been 75 or somewhere around there in between, maybe. I press this power button, hold it down, and it starts charging the phone. It went from 41% to I think it was 87%, and that was approximately 2 hours later. It was able to charge that at that percentage. So it did considerably charge this phone. Now, the last couple of days, I haven't had a lot of solar opportunities to charge the solar panel. So it was actually an accumulation of a couple of days that was able to charge this solar panel. So I will say this is my first review of this product, and so far, so good. I definitely like it. It is a really good solar charger in case of, 1, an emergency where you need to charge your phone, or 2, where you're not near an outlet, or 3, in my case, I was driving a completely different car where I didn't have a micro USB charger in that car. So I didn't have the opportunity to charge it while I'm driving. So the solar charger definitely came in handy on that trip yesterday. So that concludes this video. I highly recommend this product. I'm not being paid to say that in any way. In fact, this device here, it does cost a considerable amount. It costs approximately $80 US. So it's not a cheap product, but I do think that I am going to get my money's worth out of it. That concludes this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this one and like to see other ones like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.